telling you this is Norwegian. The only thing with Norwegian, when I got on it back in the day, was a lot of 80-year-olds and 90-year-olds. It was not a fit for me. But today, Norwegian has definitely changed. On Norwegian, they was not playing music like this. It is still more geared towards adults than it is kids. I miss that Disney boat. Trying to get some water, but you guys get the gist of it. Norwegian Aqua, Nassau, Bahamas. Still one more boat back there. Still one more boat. Alright. It's getting dark. So soon our turn will begin. This is Celebrity Beyond. This is their ship. They're sailing away before us. I can hear some music in the background. Royal Caribbean, I couldn't hear anything. It doesn't look as though they're as full as some of the other ships that's passed by, but they have good enough people. Like some of their balconies are enclosed and it's shaded, which is really cool. I like that. I've been on Celebrity once, but not this particular boat. I think this is a new one. Getting darker. Our boat is not leaving on time, unfortunately. We're starting off a little later. I did overhear where some people, they had some issues with the flight that they were on. Oh, there's another boat back there. Where the flight was delayed, and the people are still stuck at the airport right now as we speak. So it didn't at first sound like they were going to wait for them, but I guess they are, since we're not pulling off on time like we're supposed to. Yeah. So we're not the last boat. There is still one boat all the way back there. I'm not sure if we're going to pull off before them or if they're going to pull off before us. Okay, so this is Symphony of the South. There's a few people waving. I don't hear music like everybody else is hearing. I don't hear music like Carnival. But I know they're happy to get it started. Oh, I think this is the boat that's like a city. See, they got the balcony on the inside and on the outside. Art fair. They got 9 cruise ships, all left today. Traffic is not too bad, but there's traffic still. I think that was the last boat. Yeah, that was the last boat, so we are gonna be last. We're gonna be next. I'm gonna check the other side. So guys, we got Carnival Magic is sailing. They're getting a head start on their cruise. Woo. And they're waving, they're waving, they're waving, they're waving. As mentioned before, there's 9 ships that was at port today. I don't know, I must have missed the other ones when I was upstairs eating. Still over here charging my phone. It's a pretty big ship. Oh, we do have a few others in the background. There's some others back there. Carnival is always a party. Carnival celebration is passing us by. I wonder if they're going to the same place we're going to. I hear the music going. That's their sailaway party. Hear that music upstairs, man. And people are waving. Another big cruise. Oh, they got a lot more people on this one, it seems. We are still in Port Miami. Our sailaway doesn't start until 5 o'clock. Again, that's the Carnival celebration. The other boat is gonna leave before us or what.